back to my YouTube channel. Today's video, as you guys can see by the title, I'm going to be going from natural to beat. And since I rarely ever wear makeup anymore, I'm like, why don't I just film when I do my makeup, you know? So that's what I'm doing. So yeah, and it's going to be interesting because I really don't know what look I'm going for today. I'm probably going to try some new colors and pray that it turns out well for the sake of this video. Without further ado, let's go ahead and begin the process. Also guys, I did do my eyebrows off camera just because it takes me so long to do them. So yeah. that completes this video, stars. If you did enjoy, give it a big thumbs up and make sure you hit that subscribe button because it helps me a lot. I love y'all. I will see y'all in the next one. Peace out.